New York State's Attorney General is demanding answers in her investigation of the Trump Organization. Letitia James filed court papers requesting former President Trump, his son Donald Jr., and daughter Ivanka Trump to be questioned under oath. James laid out some of the evidence against the company and says the Trumps need to respond to this. Mr. Trump and his lawyers say this probe is politically motivated. Senior investigative correspondent, that's Catherine Herridge, is tracking this investigation.
In court documents filed late Tuesday, New York State's Attorney General Letitia James said her investigators found the Trump Organization repeatedly engaged in fraudulent or misleading practices. She cited multiple cases where the former president lent his signature on documents where she says he inflated the value of his company and his own fortune. All in a bid, James says, for the Trump Organization to reap loans, tax benefits, and insurance coverage by filing misleading annual financial statements, tax submissions, and other documents. James highlighted several accounts of how she says the company inflated its bottom line, including misrepresenting the size of Mr. Trump's penthouse, saying it was triple its actual size, leading to a difference of about $200 million. In another example, James says Mr. Trump's company inflated the value of his suburban golf club by millions of dollars by counting fees that were never collected. And James's office says the company's stake in a Manhattan office building was worth between $525 and $602 million, even though appraisers at a lender said it was worth 2 to 3 times less than that.
I love loans. I love other people's money.
James's office has yet to file a lawsuit, but hopes this court motion will force the former president and his kids to comply with subpoenas for their testimony. CBS News has reached out to lawyers for the Trumps and the organization and have not heard back. But the former president has previously said the investigation is politically motivated. Recently, lawyers for Mr. Trump filed a federal lawsuit to halt James's investigation.
This investigation is civil, meaning James cannot bring criminal charges against the Trumps or others in the organization. But it's running parallel to a criminal probe by the Manhattan District Attorney that's examining some of the same issues, Tony.
Catherine, thank you very much.